SA Music Show on Jacaranda FM.
Gepraat van busy women in the Jacaranda FM building vandag. Die een en enigste Carly is in die huis.
Hi.
So good to have you back, man.
Yes, it's so good to be back.
The last time that you were here, we had a chat about Baatjie. Ek het dit vir een of ander rede die hele tyd net aanhou Baatjies noem. Ek weet nie hoekom nie, maar ja. But since then you've released another song, Red Light. So jy het van Afrikaans afgegaan na Engels toe.
Yes.
Why?
Weet jy, ek is baie bevoorreg om my loopbaan op 'n baie vroeë ouderdom te kan begin.
100%.
And I really wanted to put out there, I'm not going to be put in a box. I really want to do what I want to do, and I think art is subjective, and I think we can sing in whatever language we want, we can make music what we want. Yeah.
Man, that is amazing. Did you take part in I think it was a competition if I'm not mistaken. Amper so 'n singkompetisie, maar dit was, waar was dit gewees?
Dit kan die kontrak wees of dit kan padstaltalent wees.
Ja. Hoe was dit gewees?
Amazing. Dit was so lekker. I met like Steve Hofmeyer. Oh my word.
Do you like
very,
it?
very. Global, yet nie van die vloer. But yeah, it was
daar's 'n
very,
bietjie
very nice.
shade vir die short sister.
Yes.
Ja, okay, ja. Oh man, and you found it amazing.
Very fun. It was very fun.
So, let's talk to the guy and the girl out there who actually thinks of taking part in these competitions. How has that built you? Consistency as well as the discipline. How has that built you?
For me, it's exposure. Every second of exposure you can get is very, very important. And even if you don't win, you met those people, you sang on those stages, you built like experience from performing in front of people. Dit ek dink is baie goed omdat jy hoef nie altyd te wen nie.
Ja.
You don't have to win.
Ja. Sê gou vir my, so ek vind dat 'n mens you express yourself better in your home language, right? When you had to do another songwriting, because as I said, you went from Afrikaans song to an English song, did you find it a bit difficult to basically add to emotions in the English song?
I would say yes, it was very hard because some things jy sê lekkerder in Afrikaans.
100%.
But with Red Light, I think the writing came really, really easily. The song, I didn't really sit down and say like, no, I want to write a song about this. It was more bits and pieces, social talk. People talk about these things. So I would overhear a conversation, I'd write that down, and I'm like, this would sound great in the song. And that's how Red Light was kind of born.
That is amazing. What was the main one, do you think, that you wrote down there that you were like, ek hoor baie mense sê hierdie en ek gaan dit in my song sit?
Said I loved you and I meant it. It's like you love this person and you trusted them and they kind of just like went roekeloos met jou gegaan. It's that was the main thing.
Vind jy dat, en ek vra dit actually vir baie artists wat in haar sitplek sit, dat hoe meer hartseer jy is en hoe meer deur goedjies gaan jy, hoe beter skryf jy en hoe beter sing jy.
100%. It's so true.
So it's not necessarily that a bad thing, want ek weet nie, ons is maar so as mens, ons wil nie deur moeilike tye gaan nie, maar it does produce beauty.
Yes, very much. I think to write about the real stuff is very important as well. Happy musiek te luister is great. Ek love it om happy musiek te luister, maar ek dink partykeer moet jy net 'n reality check vat en musiek luister waarmee jy kan identify like, ek gaan actually deur. So dis baie belangrik vir my om hartseer musiek ook daar buite te sit.
Ja, nee, definitief, and like be vulnerable, because I always say, you know, mense sê mos altyd as jy vir iemand vra, "Hallo, hoe gaan dit?" En dan sê hulle, "Ag man, dit gaan goed, dit help nie om te kla nie." Niemand luister nie, maar dan sê ek, musiek het 'n manier van luister.
100%.
Man, like I can put on a song and I can feel like, oh, this song it's talking to the whole of me, man. And I'm sure that is what you also did with Red Light.
100%. My goal is om 'n hartseer liedjie te skryf op 'n dansbeat. Jy kan dans en hartseer wees.
Wow. Lekker Carly, I love it. Ons praat verder saam met Carly. Sy is in die Jacaranda FM gebou. Tabiso Kambude is my naam en ek is saam met jou al die pad tot 6uur.
The SA Music Show with Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
Tabiso is my name. I'm with you all the way till 6 o'clock in the Jacaranda FM building today. We've got Carly. Ons chat 'n bietjie oor haar musiek natuurlik en oor haar, want ek wil definitief vir haar 'n baie beter leer ken. So, who are some of your biggest musical influences right now?
Ek sal sê Spoegwolf definitely.
Oh, ja.
En Elandrey.
I know you're a Lander fan. Like, ek weet jy is in en uit 'n Elandrey fan.
Ja, Spoegwolf, Elandrey en ek dink Polisiekar. Ek is maar 'n alternative meisie in my hart. Tasha en Kornzoid ook. Honestly,
Yes.
ek het te veel. Ek luister na te veel artists.
Jy het my nou iets actually gesê af van die lig af, maar ek wil bitter graag hê ons moet dit vir die luisteraars ook sê, jy weet. Jy sê mamma en pappa is ook nogals in die musiek in, ja?
Yes, my ma en my pa sing ongelooflik mooi. My ma skryf amazing. Ek kom baie van 'n musikale familie af. My oupa het my geleer, wel nie my geleer nie, hy het gitaar gespeel en mondfluitjie, ja. En my pa se ma, sy het geskryf vir Roy Rose. Ja.
How's that? My
Ja.
goodness, so you basically have this within you and you're most probably going to take it further as well.
100%.
What is your relationship with this song?
Oh, that's Sleep Token. What? That's Caramel by Sleep Token. How even? It's my favorite song.
Well, why?
It's by Sleep Token. They're like an amazing band. They're like an anonymous band from the UK. En die hele ding is, ons wys nie ons gesigte nie, want ons wil julle Americans waardeer. So that's
deep.
Ja.
Whoa.
And that's why I love them so
Okay.
much. They're like a progressive metal band. They do like, this is kind of pop feely, but then later in the album it's more like metal breakdown guitars. So
Wag, Carly, I'm still there. I basically didn't hear what you said onwards. I got stuck at what you said. Please repeat that line again. They don't show their faces.
because they want you to appreciate the art.
Ek wil gou daarso stop. How important do you think this is for us as artists? Want ons wil gesien word. Like, you want to be famous. You want to be
Yes.
this big star, you know, en jou gesig moet op 'n billboard wees en alles. En dan doen ons dit nie regtig vir die regte redes nie.
Yes. Ek dink, soos wat ek vroeër gesê het, kuns is subjective en ons almal het ons eie manier van hoe ons osself uitdruk, maar baie mense in die industrie, en ek is self skuldig daarvan, ons probeer die industrie uitmaak asof dit hierdie glamorous ding is. Dis so lekker, but there's moeilike tye ook. En partykeer is ons net in hierdie ding vir die verkeerde redes. Ons wil geld maak en ek probeer myself leer, Carly, jy maak musiek vir jonger jy. Jy maak musiek vir mense wat deur dieselfde goed gaan as jy. I think
How are you this mature at grade 11? Like, hoe kry jy dit reg? Stop dit.
my ma het my 'n groot mens groot gemaak.
Ek probeer dink wat ek gedoen het op jou ouderdom. Ek weet nie man. Ek was agter girls aan op jou ouderdom. Skelmpies gerook in 'n hoekie ergens by die skool. Ja, jy het my heeltemal afdou. On this topic actually, how do you balance the two? Like basically your school life and doing music?
So, ek is baie bevoorreg genoeg om in 'n privaat homeschool center te wees. Ek het it's basically like university. Ek loop nie elke dag klas nie, ek hoef nie elke dag in te gaan nie, maar sodra soos my werk en my toetse en alles moet op datum wees. Ek is baie dankbaar vir meneer Herman en juffrou Shamaine. Ek kyk so baie op na hulle en hulle glo so in my. Hulle was actually, ek dink vroeër hierdie jaar hierso. Hulle is baie special en ek is bly ek kan doen wat ek doen en hulle support my.
So man, Carly, dis so lekker om jou in die ateljee te hê. Ons gaan nou net 'n bietjie chat natuurlik dieper oor jou song en ook dit later speel. I'm going to play it when we start off the SA Music Countdown. It will be about 4:15. It is called Red Light. Carly saam met ons in die Jacaranda FM gebou.
The SA Music Show with Tabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
In die gebou het ons vir Carly en ons kuier lekker saam met haar. Laaste keer wat sy hierso was, het ons oor baadjie gepraat en hierdie keer praat ons oor Red Light. I want to get a bit into this, into Red Light and ask you the songwriting, the process, the thought behind it, the deepness behind it. Why?
So I think ek dink maak nie saak in wat se situasie dit is nie, ons spring partykeer te vinnig in 'n ding in. Jy kyk nie die kat uit die boom uit nie. You just jump into something sometimes to get out of something else. Dis waar die liedjie gaan, you know, ek het dit nie uit personal experience geskryf nie. Ek het nog nooit daardeur gegaan nie, maar dat ander mense daardeur gegaan, social talks, you know. En ek het net besluit, you know, I'm writing a song that everyone can relate to. En ja, is maar net oor jy spring te vinnig in 'n ding in. En ek dink partykeer moet ons net, you know, take a step back. En ja.
Lee Cole was nou die dag hier so gewees en hy het dit actually so goed gesê. Hy het van 'n verhoog af gespring en hoe hy sing. Toe kom 'n oomie na hom toe en die oomie sê toe vir hom, "Dude, jy moes deur erge hartseer gegaan het om hierdie song so goed te kan sing." En hy sê toe vir hom, "Nee. I just heard it from my friends." And I think it takes some talent to be able to hear something like that from your friends group or from your circle and to be able to actually write music about it like that. That is fantastic, man.
Thank you.
Enige meer songs wat kom natuurlik Afrikaans, Engels, waarheen toe gaan ons? Where are we leading to the most?
Ons sal sien.
Oh no, don't do that to us.
I really want to do English. Ek like Engels, maar Afrikaans is altyd net lekkerder. Dis lekkerder.
Ek hoor jou. Ja nee, dis daai hartstaal man. Ek sê ook altyd ek was nou 'n bietjie by my ouers gewees hierdie week and when I got into Mahikeng, it's in Northwest, right? That's where I'm from. And I heard the pure Setswana, I was like, "Oh, I miss this." I miss this so much. So I totally get it when you say that you actually want to want Afrikaans is jou huistaal,
Ja.
Ja. Een laaste ding voordat jy gaan. Jy skryf op die oomblik eksamen, jy doen 'n bietjie musiek, jy doen 'n bietjie social lewe en al daai goedjies. What do you basically use or where do you go to get a bit of creative juices going, especially when you reach burnout? Want ek dink so baie goedjies op jou plate kan nogals baie wees, dan kan jy nie regtig skryf of kreatief wees nie.
I like to just take a moment for myself, you know, sit alles neer waarmee ek besig is en net self-reflect, you know. Partykeer raak mense kop so besig, jy verloor fokus op die klein dingetjies van die lewe. Ek hou daarvan om by my ouma te gaan kuier en met my ma te praat. Familie is my baie belangrik en vriende ook.
Your granny, your grandpa, are you very close to them?
Ja, ek elke skoolvakansie is ek daar. Most of the times, because my mom worked when I was little, I was basically not raised there, but I was there a lot. Ja, en ek is baie lief vir my mamma en pappa.
Oh man. Carly, kom kuier asseblief weer. Dit was so lekker om saam met jou te chat.
Baie dankie.
En maak meer musiek asseblief. Asseblief. Ek het baie van baie keer, ek hou baie van Red Light ook. And yes, we will be playing Red Light just a little after 4. Carly, about to leave the Jacaranda FM building. Before you leave, waar kry ons jou op sosiale media?
My Instagram handle is carly.jvv. That is CARLEY.jvv. On TikTok, it's basically the same handle. In Facebook is dit Carly Janse van Vieren.
Lekker. Ons sal vir jou daarso kry. This is the SA Music Show. You tune into Jacaranda FM.
The SA Music Show on Jacaranda FM.